Here's an unusual Venetian door. The left side, you can see that the metal has not been very worn or polished. And then if you go over to the right hand side, which is the side that they use to open the door most frequently, you can really see the way that it's been smoothed. And if you actually touch it, you can feel where it's been opened the most. But it's quite interesting texture, but just beautifully crafted metalwork. And then there's the mail slot, and keeping up with technology, there's the speaker, and of course the buzzer.